All right, hey guys, and welcome back to the Boxmining channel. We just do it on my channel. And this is also going to be on the Genesis Block channel as well. Make sure you click the link down below to check it out. But today we've got Charles here. He has some really important topics to say regarding China, regarding this mysterious ETH transaction that had $2 million of fees. That's kind of scary. And also the institutional ETP as well. So we'll cover three subjects today with you guys. We'll start off with the $2 million in fees. I mean, usually speaking, fees should be a few dollars in crypto, maybe tens of dollars in the bank, but $1 million, what's happening, Charles? What's...
Yeah, the transaction, obviously everyone thought, oh, this must be a new way to launder money, right? What is going on? Why would somebody put $2 million in fees?
In fees, right? I mean, that's ridiculous. I mean, and also if you have $2 million, you better know how to use Ethereum by now.
Right. So actually, as of today, it's happened 3 times.
3 times, okay.
2 times from the same wallet, and the 3rd time from a different wallet, but it's obviously related to the same, it could be a company, it could be an individual, who knows? It could be an exchange.
Right.
So as of right now, even the mining pools who've mined this block and they received these fees are holding on to the ETH and saying, hey, whoever made the mistake, reach out and we'll work out something where you get your money back.
Got it.
But as of right now, the market, nobody knows what's going on.
That's kind of insane. I mean, I've been mining before, and any transaction fee becomes a reward for miners. So just imagine that if you're like solo mining and you just got that block and got $2 million of fees, you'll be set for life. But anyways, these mining pools are nice. They managed to get the fees, $2 million of that transaction. They can now pocket it, but they're nice enough to say, yo, you know what? Reach out to us, but no one has reached out to them that we know of yet.
So I think the most interesting speculation was, I think Dovey Wan was talking about this, where it's possible someone got control of an exchange wallet and they're pretty much blackmailing them. We're going to keep doing this, or you give me money and I'll give this, these keys back to you, right? Yeah.
That's mysterious. I mean, initially I was thinking it was money laundering. I mean, but I think something you pointed out was that even if I wanted to launder the money to kind of break that transaction history, it's pretty well known to everyone that something like this happened, and law enforcement will still probably catch that in anyways.
Right.
So you're saying most likely it's not money laundering?
Yeah, it looks like it's probably just a coding error.
Or the blackmail.
Yeah, I mean, blackmail is probably a stretch. It's weird because what I thought would have happened was somebody messed up and they would panic and reach out and be like, oh, how can I get my money back? And we would have this whole situation like back when we had the DAO hack, where you're going back against what actually happened on chain. But it's mysterious because no one's speaking up.
Magic, the magic of crypto, right? Sometimes you just don't know what's happening. You can see it, but you don't know why it's happening. All right, next topic. I think this is quite interesting. There's a lot of rumors about Chinese accounts being closed down. I think even some people on my channel were like, oh my God, are Chinese kind of OTC desks or even Chinese exchanges, what's happening there? They're being cracked down, being frozen. Is that really happening?
Yeah, so the articles came out this week, but actually, Genesis Block does some OTC trades in China. And we've been seeing a lot of our partners pretty much disappear. Luckily, some people actually lost money because they got their money frozen. They weren't able to settle their trades. A lot of our friends over there are kind of in big trouble. We've also heard of arrests. And it's not really about crypto. It's more about the source of the renminbi. There's a lot of these pyramid schemes, a lot of scams where these OTC traders happen to be taking this renminbi. So as soon as you're part of that supply chain, it is China, right? They have the right to arrest you for many reasons.
Right.
Definitely handling dirty money is huge, red flag.
So it doesn't have directly to do with crypto. So it's not that they're in crypto, that they're in trouble, they're getting frozen. It's rather the crypto was used for something malicious. When you discuss Plus token in the past, billions of dollars were stolen from that pyramid scheme. So it's really just kind of cracking down on this.
Yeah.
But then why now though? Why do you think China's doing now? Is it because they're trying to tighten up? Are they trying to crack down on this? Is there any alternative?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's, at this point, it's all speculation, but this is the year where they've been really shilling their central bank digital currency, DCEP. So it does seem kind of like a coincidence where they crack down on other stablecoins and in order to prepare for a controlled crypto market instead of something that was very open for the last, for a decade, I guess.
Interesting. So what do you recommend people do at this time?
Yeah, so if you're trading renminbi, probably take a break. That's what we're doing. If we have clients there that want to trade for crypto, we've been asking them to just, let's see what it looks like a week from now. We don't want our accounts frozen. We don't want people to get in trouble with the authorities. Just laying low.
Laying low. Well, sometimes it's good to just hold back a little bit. So lastly is the ETP. There's an ETP launch.
Yeah.
Is that institutional adoption? What is an ETP?
Yeah, so it's an exchange traded product, right? Exchange traded product means any individual that has a bank account can go through a brokerage and purchase these shares. It's just like buying stocks, right? This one which is going to list in Germany, Deutsche Börse, is one of the largest stock exchanges in Europe. So this is not a joke. This is a big deal. And the important thing about this one is, firstly, it's centrally cleared, meaning you're not trading with somebody. It's all the shares and the Bitcoin is controlled by a third party. So counterparty risk is low. And secondly, you can actually redeem these shares for real Bitcoin. Okay,
so it's actually real Bitcoin this time.
Exactly, yeah.
So investors who are in Europe, they're interested in real Bitcoin, they can actually get this off legitimate exchanges, off traditional routes. And you can see that this is a road to enterprise adoption.
So it's interesting because you don't have to be an institution to trade this.
Okay.
Based on what I read, I believe retail can also have access. And it's great because you have both options of, okay, I don't know how to store crypto, so I'll just hold these shares. Or I'd rather take the crypto later on, and you can redeem and actually hold Bitcoin.
So this is actually the best institutional kind of solution out there.
Right. So it's obviously steps forward, and more of these will come. And it's just gives people a sense of security of trading this, in this sense, new type of asset class.
Exactly, because most people, I tell them about hardware wallet and they just freak out. And it's like, okay, I'm done. But I think this is something for traditional investors to get into. So Charles, awesome update from you. And I think, guys, make sure you click the like button down below, click the subscribe button, do everything that YouTube tells us to do. That's good. And we'll see you guys next week.
All right, thanks, guys.